Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and I want to show you these Luverne O-Mega II side steps installed on our GMC Savana. Now this is the 155-inch wheelbase, the extended length cargo van from GM. And you can see we went with our 114-inch long Omega II side step here. This is basically going to give us wheel-to-wheel coverage on this van. Now some of the unique things about the Omega II is that it is an aluminum product. This bar right here is all aluminum, and then our little step pads here are also aluminum. You can get it in two different color options. Like you see here, we have a textured black powder coat. You can also get it in a silver powder coat. Now there's a lot of adjustment option with this step. First of all, we have our little step pads right here, which are made out of aluminum. Got holes in them to allow for drainage and give you plenty of grip when you're stepping on them. And you can adjust the placement of where you want these. You can see we only have two of them installed here in our van, basically for this side door to the cargo area and then our passenger door up there. We have a third one we could install in the back right here if we wanted to, but plenty of adjustment options on where you want to put those step pads. The other thing that's unique about these steps is that the way that they attach to the brackets is that there's a channel or an extrusion underneath these steps where you have a little slider bolt, and you can make some adjustments, fine tune it forward or rearward on the vehicle. Now installation on the GMC Savana is actually pretty simple. On your front three mounting brackets here, you're going to tie into the body mount bolt. So you're just taking out an existing bolt, you're putting a bracket up there, putting that bolt right through and tightening it up. And that's all you have to do. So there's no drilling into the frame, which is going to prevent rust, corrosion, and all those types of things. It's really a simple install. The second part of that install is, of course, attaching your bar or the Omega II step to those brackets. Now there's a lot of different length options that you can get in this step. We decided to go with the 114-inch length because it does give us that wheel-to-wheel coverage, basically from our front wheel well to our rear wheel well. Great thing about the GMC Savana or the Chevrolet Express vans is they are those low roof heights, so you can still reach the roof for putting your ladders and things like that on there. But you can see I'm 6'2", and it's still gonna be a stretch for me to get a ladder on this crossbar, but if I take this step up here, I can easily lift material onto the roof. So it's a great addition, not just for getting in and out of the van, but also for getting things on the roof in these lower roof vans. You've got a lot of different length options to choose from. Now on the actual step here, the available width that you have for essentially your foot is 6 inches, so plenty of space without being too wide where you're gonna be worried about collision with curbs and poles and things like that. So it's a great size for your step. Now these do come with a limited lifetime warranty from the factory, so you're gonna be protected. But again, these are made of aluminum, they're not gonna rust and things like that. You're gonna get a lot of life out of these steps. Now, if you're looking for the Luverne Omega II steps or any other equipment to get your van or truck ready for work, be sure to check us out, upfitsupply.com. My name is Ryan, have a good one.